What's up, guys? This is Sammy Geek back here with a quick video on the Thinborn. This is the S24 Ultra Carbon Fiber 600D case. It's the thinnest case that I believe I can find in the market at all for the S24 Ultra. What I really like about this particular case versus the competitors, which there's actually not a lot right now on the S24 Ultra, is that they actually run this tight weave 600D, kind of the premium feel, all the way up through the camera and allow the camera ports to come through. And then it kind of times out and goes flush for the remaining ports, which I really like. So there's no injected plastic, there's no plastic anywhere. This is 100% 600D AirMed, which is pretty cool. In addition to this being kind of the premier case or a super premium high-end case, this is going to be, like I said, this is going to be the ultra thin case. It's not going to give you a ton of protection if you're working on a construction site or something. You're probably going to want a different case, but if you're looking for the absolute thinnest, as close to caseless feel that you could get, this is absolutely going to be it. I know this because I've used the 600D AirMed cases before. This one also has the Magsafe, which is super sweet because it will magnetically charge on any Magsafe chargers that you have, and I have a ton of them. I absolutely love them. In addition to the case, you're also going to get, this is kind of a bonus that Thinborn does. I've actually never had this. I've purchased a few of these in the past from various brands and use them on my different Samsungs, but this one actually comes with a couple of the glass tempered screen protectors, and I really like the touch of the kind of the bezel going around. As you guys know, the S24 Ultra has a really uniform, nice thin bezel, and I think that these are going to work really well. So opening up the box, we have a little which is like looks like a marketing piece here. It just kind of talks about what the product is made of. They do note at the bottom here it is a Texas-based company, which I think is pretty cool. This small company. I mean, there's 1,000 different case companies out there. It's just kind of cool that this is a small company based in Texas. Pretty neat. It says, "Do not return to store. If there's any questions, info@thinborn.com." Then, of course, you're going to get 2 of these screen protectors, as I mentioned. These are going to be the glass ones, and each one's going to come in a nice little sleeve. You're also going to get a couple of screen protector accessory kits for each one, which includes your typical wet wipe, dry absorber. You get a couple of those, so 2 screen protectors, 2 preparation kits, if you want to call it that, your documentation, and the case itself, which is really nice. I can't wait to get my S24 and try it. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll post another video when I get the S24 and throw it in this case. We'll do a little comparison. Talk to you guys soon.